What's up, guys? It's Carlos from Daily Carry Solutions. I'm here with Jason at the Grey Ghost Precision booth here at SHOT Show 2020. So there's a lot of new stuff that I see here on the table. I can't wait for you to tell me what's going on here. So what we got?
Again, thanks for coming by. I appreciate you coming by this morning. Again, Jason with Grey Ghost Precision here at SHOT Show 2020. We've got a lot of new things for you this year. Again, keeping things fresh, keeping things innovative. We got a hell of a team here at Grey Ghost Precision. Innovation is a key feature. We got Gen 5 Glock slides. So we got the Gen 5 versions 1 through 4 for the Gen 5 Glocks. We've got our brand new release, our P365 slides. This one right here is our 365 shown in the version 2 with the top window cut. You'll have 3 different offerings for coatings. You'll have the DLC Gray, DLC Black, and the FDE. You have the version 1 365 slide that's shown here in the FDE Cerakote. We've got new barrels for us at Grey Ghost Precision for the 320. We got a full size and a compact offering, as well as a 365. I mean, we've got so much new stuff from us at Grey Ghost Precision. Let me show you some more here. We got the ever popular P320 Slide. Again, 3 different coating options and colors. DLC Black, DLC Gray, FDE. This is the version 1 320 Slide. Got the brand new version 2 P320 Slide with all the knurling to keep that all those press checks in check. Great offering from us at Grey Ghost Precision. And then something we didn't really release to the public much, but it's showing brand new at the show. We got our Glock Triggers. This is Gen 1 through 3. So trigger shoe, trigger safety, trigger bar. You'll look at these at about $99 at MSRP from us at Grey Ghost Precision.
Now, Jason, that's pretty exciting because I actually have this slide right here from my full-size P80 build, and I was looking into picking up a trigger soon, so I'm definitely going to check that out. One thing I really like about your slides is that they're complete. You can get them stripped and you can get them complete build from what I've been able to order, and they come optics ready. I mean, that's fantastic. You have the plate here that has the insignia for Grey Ghost Precision, and you can keep it on there if you choose not to run it with your red dot. But if you choose to run it with your red dot, you pop that off, you put it on there with your hardware, and you're ready to go. You're at the ready. So aside from the pistol slides, I know you guys worked on frames last year. You have your triggers and your barrels now. I noticed in the background you have some of your rifles. What do you got over here?
We got our Mark II design for rifles. So again, these are some of the offerings that we do. We do in-house Cerakoting too, so that is an option if somebody would like it. Again, they come in an anodized Type 3 Class 2 hard coat anodized. But we got our 6.5 Creedmoor up top. MSRP is $3,200 for it, of course, without optic. We got our 308, a 16-inch rifleman's version. So you'll see the MSRP with that one at about $2,500. And our 5.56 rifle, Mark II design, that's MSRP at $1,800. So again, you got all those offerings that you need for any type of shooter. We can go mild to wild here at Grey Ghost Precision, so we got all that too. Another offering you don't see up front on the table is our Glock 26 Slide. So this is a new offering from us as well. Very deep serrations for, you know, good press checks. And something that you need to know about our slides, especially the Glock and the SIG, is the dual RDS compatibility. So the direct fitment will be that Loophole DP Pro, and then our shim system will come with it. So you plop the shim on it, you can get that Trijicon SRO or the RMR or some of the other features that share that same footprint.
Jason, holy crap, that is a lot of material to sink in. Yep. I actually picked up a catalog because it seems that I have some homework to do for the upcoming year between finishing my build and probably starting some new ones with you guys. Thank you so much for taking a moment. Have a great SHOT Show.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it coming by.